So right here is... It's a variation on something that's been discovered before. I'm not at all taking credit for this, having invented it or anything, because this technology has actually been around before, but I made a nice, easy tileable design. It is a form of instantaneous signal transportation. I say instantaneous, really, the correct way to say would technically be the time complexity of this form of signal transportation is in O of 1, technically speaking. Basically, it means regardless of how far the distance is, it'll always be a constant amount of time. It'll take the same amount of time to relay the information. And what's really neat is it's actually bi-directional, which I'll get to in just a moment. But you can see I can power this piston. Both bulbs activate at the same time. They change state at the same time. But what's neat, this thing is powered by bud powering. It's powering the piston, and then the next, and then 2 redstone ticks later, it bud powers the piston, using these observers powering that block. So the piston gets confused and thinks it's still being powered because it hasn't been updated back to unpowered yet. That means a single block update resets the entire system. This piston retracts, which causes all of its neighbors to also instantly retract, since they will all update in the same tick. So you can see that will change the state of the bulb. But if you look this way, it will also send it in the opposite direction, which could theoretically be useful. Which is really quite neat. So it looks like a lot of observers. It is really a lot of observers. All it's really doing is when this signal is powered, it powers the piston. And actually, sorry, it's 3 redstone ticks. No, because this is 1 delay, so that cancels out. 2 redstone ticks later, it powers this block, which bud powers this, which gets the piston to be confused into this on state. When it's activated to send the signal, the piston de-extends, which is measured by these observers right here, which powers the redstone line to reactivate them again, instantaneously resetting the system. So I thought that was pretty neat. I don't know what I could possibly use this for that would need this much speed, but it's cool that it exists.